What's up, YouTube? Kyle here, back with another video, and today, what are we gonna do? Oh yeah, today, I'll tell you after, but school has started, so I ain't able to upload as many videos as I do, but I still upload videos. We'll always upload videos. Got under my shirt on, under my hat, pretty sick. But, big news, catch your breath. We got 7 chickens and a new puppy. Yes, 7 more chickens and new puppies. And we don't got 2 cats, but it's 2 cats. They always come down to our house, and they're really cute. But they're not our cats. But let's go outside. I think he might be out. There's a little puppy. Belle or Bella? Bella. Oh, aren't you just so playful? She has a blue eye and a black eye. Can't wait to see it though. Bella, aren't you just so cute? Yeah, she's only 6 weeks old, and that's how big she is. Kitty, I love you too, Kitty. But she's only 6 weeks old, and she is really big. She's a husky mixed with something, but she looks nothing like a husky. Forget what else she is. But you are so cute. She is so soft. She's so playful, just like Holly. But yeah, we also got some chickens, which I want to show you guys. I think one's a rooster, not for sure. But we got 7, and they're all girls. One might be a boy. I'm not 100% sure. You can hear them. We didn't put them in the pen yet. 2, 4, 6, 7. These are loud. That one I think is a rooster, not for sure. Chase! And they like mangoes and peaches. Let's get into the field. Hey. Ow! Okay. I don't know if I get that on camera, but that little chicken just pecked my finger. When it happened, he pecked at it. Little son of a gun. Pecked at me. I don't know if I got it on camera though. Let's see if he'll take this piece of grass. I want a longer piece. Not one to peck at me in. Yeah, that's the one that pecked at me. It pecked in right on my finger, but like it didn't shoot a chunk off. One time at my neighbor's house, when he had chickens, he still does, but he doesn't live there no more. There's a big rooster, and that pecked me pretty bad. I was bleeding. Hey, kitty! Don't be mean to the puppy. Why are you so jealous? I gave you loving too. She hurt you. Bella, did she hurt you? Oh, did she hurt you? Poor thing. It's okay, Bella. I'm gonna go give the chickens some more peaches. He liked these peaches. I'm so happy that my grandpa actually got some chickens. That's pretty cool. So in all, we got 18 pets. 3 cats, 7 dogs, and 7 chickens. And that's a lot. But yeah. Yeah, they like those. Hey, kitty. That's Kayla. How you doing, girl? I love you. But yeah, what do we? We have 7. Essentially, that's 14, 13. Wait, I'm confused. 15, 16, 17. Oh, we have 17. I'm not for sure. But her sister runs off and doesn't come back for a long time. But she comes back eventually. You know where she's at? You know? But she's off somewhere. She's coming back when it's time to eat. Bella, you're just so playful, aren't you? Yeah, Bella, you're so playful. So I thought, instead of doing just a puppy vlog and chicken vlog, put it together and make one vlog. Isn't that right, Bella? Am I so smart? Yes, I know I am. But yeah, that's the peaches. Keep calling them mangoes, but the peaches. Ooh. Where did this come from? From my grandma's. But yeah, so we get some chickens. New dog. How you doing, Bella? Yeah. But all the chickens didn't get a peach, so I'm gonna put some more in though. Kitties, you want some? Eat them, because you won't. So yeah, basically got a lot more animals. A good part. Just wants to have a farm. Might be getting a hog, not for sure. Hopefully it does, that'd be cool. But yeah. There's one of the cats that come out sometimes. How you doing? That's one of them. There's another one. The best of her. Which is just oh, but I'm not for sure. But yeah, I'll be back in a minute though. I gotta help. Cause there's been a chicken coop. I'll get down video after I do something with my grandma quick. Happy with my grandpa. It's good. Alright, so I'm back. And if you're lazy like me, you let other people do the work. My grandpa and grandpa, my brother Dylan, have been in a chicken coop. And I didn't help out at all. No, I'm just kidding. I just got done helping them. Want to set up a cage, make them chickens have more room because there's 7 of them. Back doors open so dogs can out and play. But yeah, it's pretty lit. I'll show you it. Yeah. Weasel! Mama! Weasel's right here! You get it out? Yeah, she's getting ready to jump off and run.
Oh, my. Move the chair back.
Weasel! Oh, Weasel almost escaped. I think she was just scared to jump. I think Weasel's just scared to jump. Dogs ain't gonna jump unless but cats saw. The internet built though. There's a cage we're gonna tack on. Attach on. But I'm getting ready to help again. So this video might be pausing and unpausing. Sassy, you wanna come out this? Sassy. Video might be unpausing and pausing because I gotta help and stuff. But yeah. Pretty lit. So psyched about it. I love my new hat. I don't wear it a lot, but I'm gonna start probably wearing it in every video. Cause I wear it all the time. You guys should come out this door, not this door. I'm sorry. No. No. But yeah. I need to find your sister. She barely comes here. She's usually all gone. Belle. Come on, Belle. Come on, Belle. Belle. Come on, Belle. Wanna go back post with the other dog keys? I think she does. Let me get her. So I'm taking Belle back to the airport. Sorry, Misty. Because all the dogs are back there. And she's not on the porch with cats. And she ain't gonna put anything in cats. So I'm bringing her back to the other dogs. There you go, Belle. Go for the other doggies. Yeah, now she's moving. But yeah. So like that dog Weasel that was up there. He's out. She ain't gonna come back for a while. But what? Oh wait, so I bring Kitty in because she was getting too hot, you know. Yeah. The chickens, the dogs, pretty lit. Want to do a video on later today? When we get in the cage and stuff. Hope you enjoyed a short little video. I didn't really what I was going for, but I just want to show them. And so I wanted more, but yeah, and it. Hope you enjoy. You know, up here, Kitty. Kitty. We need to find your sister. Hopefully she comes back. She's always gone. Sometimes she comes back when it's time to eat. She went out for a week and came back, so hopefully she comes back. She's probably off out there somewhere. But I think she'll come back. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And like I'm myself saying, go big, go home. God bless. Peace. End it with the flag.